Chapter 1 Introduction. The Fairbuds not only offer a premium sound experience, they are also designed to last. Like all things Fairphone, the Fairbuds come with our signature modular design that is built for easy DIY repairs. We have 7 replaceable parts with the Fairbuds in total, with replaceable batteries in your earbuds as well as your charging case. All you need is a standard Phillips screwdriver to do any repairs. Available in our web shop. A prying tool like a pair of tweezers or this plastic triangle will make opening things easier, but it isn't absolutely essential. Before you start repairing your Fairbuds, make sure the Fairbuds are not charging or attached to a device with a cable. Also, make sure you're working on a flat surface. Alright, let's begin, shall we? Chapter 2 The Battery. We have made the batteries on the earbuds and the case replaceable, as one of the leading reasons for retiring wireless headphones and earbuds is a dead or dying battery. With the Fairbuds, you do not need to worry about replacing the batteries anytime soon. They are designed to run a long time. Consider replacing them only when you feel they run out of juice faster. We also recommend not fiddling with the mechanism unless you absolutely have to, so the silicone ring and the battery tray itself stay in the best shape possible for the longest time. The silicone ring helps ensure maximum protection against rain and sweat. Chapter 3 Replacing the Earbud Battery. To start with, you need to remove this silicone ring around the bud. If it doesn't come off with your nails, use a prying tool. We recommend removing it by pulling it up and over the outside of the earbud, over the touch area. Be careful not to overstretch it too much, as that might damage the rings. Now, use your nails or the prying tool to open the rotating battery tray. See these plus/minus indicators? That's the tray. Please remember, the battery door doesn't open all the way. This is one of the most delicate parts of the Fairbuds, so make sure you are careful when doing this. Now that the battery door is open, remove the battery inside and insert your replacement battery, matching the plus/minus polarity indicators. Make sure you insert the battery in the tray and not force it into the earbud with the tray opened. Also, quick note here, make sure the battery and your hands are clean while doing this. Grease and dust can affect the reliability of the connection. Alright, the battery's in. Now, close the tray. You should hear a slight click when it is shut properly. Assemble the silicone ring back the same way you took it off, pulling it over and around the outside of the earbud. The silicone ring has some alignment features to make sure it fits the right way. If you see here, this lip and thicker portion should be on the outside. If you look closely, you will be able to see an L or R marked inside as well, to indicate which earbud it belongs to. Now turn your earbuds on either by popping it in the charging case and closing and reopening the lid, or by pressing the touch control on the earbud for 3 seconds. You're good to go. Don't forget to locally recycle your old battery. Chapter 4 Replacing the Charging Case Battery. Replacing the charging case battery is easier than the earbuds. Flip the case over and remove the screw at the bottom of the case. Now open up the cover and remove the charging case core from the outer shell. You should find the battery case at the bottom of the charging case core. Remove the old battery and insert a new one. Put the charging case core back in the outer shell. Close it up with the cover and screw it back into place. There, you're done. Again, don't forget to properly dispose of your old battery. Chapter 5 Replacing the charging case outer shell and core. Let's say you accidentally dropped your Fairbuds with the case. Thankfully, we have made the outer shell and core 2 separate parts to keep the electronics inside the charging case as safe as possible. To replace the outer shell, you flip the case over and remove the screw. Now remove the core and place it inside a replacement shell and screw it back up again. The charging core is what contains all the electronics of your charging case as well as the battery tray. If you feel there are charging issues with your Fairbuds and the battery is working fine, the problem might be with the charging core, which you can also replace. Like with the charging case battery, flip the case over and open up the screw on the back. Now remove the old charging case core and remove your working battery. Slot it into the new charging case core. Put it back inside the outer shell and close the cover. Screw it back into place and you're done. Chapter 6. Replacing a lost earbud. If you lost one of your earbuds, you can order a new one from our webshop. To pair your replacement earbud with your old earbud, pop them both in the charging case. Once they both have an acceptable amount of charge, perform a factory reset. You can do this by pressing the charging case button for 10 seconds until the LED blinks white. Keep the case closed for at least 5 seconds, after which you can pair it with your devices again. We hope this video has been helpful. Till next time.